तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज से हम जो है 6th क्लास की साइंस की सीरीज शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। तो हम इसमें अपने वीडियोस जो है फ्रीक्वेंटली डालते रहेंगे, जिससे आपको जो है पूरी जो साइंस की नॉलेज है 6th क्लास की वो मिलती रहे टाइम टू टाइम। और हम इसको जो है जल्दी ही 1-2 मंथ्स में आपका सिलेबस जो है वो कंप्लीट 6th क्लास का करा देंगे। तो आज से हम शुरू करते हैं। लेसन नंबर 1, फूड, वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम, अर्थात भोजन, भोजन कहाँ से आता है। भोजन एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है और हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ से रिलेटेड है। हम जो है हर रोज़ अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें खाते हैं। वी ऑल ईट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड एट डिफरेंट टाइम्स। और ये भी नहीं होता कि हम एक ही चीज़ को बार बार खाते रहें। तो इसका फर्स्ट है फूड वैरायटी। सो फूड वैरायटी में इट रेफर्स टू द डिफरेंट रेंज ऑफ food items. What do we eat? For example, the first activity belongs to what do we eat. Here a table is made. In the first column, name of the student or friend, and in the second column you have to write the food items eaten by your friend in a day. So you can fill this table. Now tell me about the different varieties that you eat. For example, think about the rice cooked at home. We just need different items to, these are called ingredients. For example, to prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. Okay, now in activity 2. In activity 2, the table is given food items and their ingredients. In the first column, we have to write the food item, and in second column ingredients means raw materials which are needed by us. For example, roti, chapati, these are made from atta and water. Second इसमें है दाल. What ingredients we want to make it? Pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, and spices. Similarly, you have to add other food items and the ingredients needed for this. So now we come to our second page. Food materials and sources. Food materials and sources. Now different food materials are obtained from different types of sources. For example, name some of the ingredients that we are listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, for instance. Fruits or vegetables, ये आते कहाँ से हैं? From where they come from? Fruits come from plants, and fruits and vegetables come from plants. Now, what are the sources of rice or wheat? We have seen paddy or wheat fields, and which give us these grains. Similarly, there are other food items like milk, eggs, meat. All these types of items come from animals. So we can say that Mainly there are two types of sources from where our food material comes. These are plant sources and animal sources. Okay. Now in activity 3 we see some of the pictures. A picture of the paddy field, and in second picture we see wheat grains transported in a bullock cart. Okay. So in table 1.3 ingredients, in activity number 3 you have to tell which type of ingredients is produced from which source. Either it is produced from plants or animals. Okay, so you have to complete this. Now coming to our next page, page number 3. Now plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Sometimes we eat roots, sometimes stems of a plant, and sometimes even flowers. Okay. Some plants have 2 or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Okay. Now in table 1.4, in this table plants के अलग अलग parts which are used as food are given. For example, brinjal curry. These are ingredients used in this are brinjal, chili as spice, and oil from groundnut, mustard, soybean or any other plant. And in third column we want plant part which gives us the ingredient. Okay, so you have to complete this table. Now there are activity 4 and 5. Now you have to identify the different ingredients which are obtained from which part of the plant. In the last table we have seen. Okay. Now in activity 5, हम देखेंगे कि हम जो है मूंग या चने के बीज लेंगे और उसको जो है एक कंटेनर में पानी भर के उसके अंदर मूंग या चने को छोड़कर 1 दिन के लिए हम उसको वैसा ही छोड़ देंगे. अगले दिन हम पानी को ड्रेन कर देंगे और जो सीड्स हैं मूंग या चने के उनको एक वेसल में डाल के रख लेंगे और फिर हम उसको एक गीले कपड़े में लपेट करके रख देंगे. 1-2 दिन के बाद हम देखेंगे कि a small white structure may have grown out of these seeds, कि ये जो बीज हैं ये उग गए हैं थोड़े से. These are known as sprouted seeds. These are known as sprouted seeds. Okay. Now after washing these sprouted seeds, we can eat them. These can also be boiled. Add some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. Okay. And so now another example here given is, have you seen a beehive where so many bees kept buzzing about? जो मधुमक्खियाँ होती हैं वो फूलों से स्वीट जूसेस को इकट्ठा करती हैं, convert it into honey and store it in their hives. Okay, flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. तो जो शहद इकट्ठा करती हैं मधुमक्खियाँ, वे उसको अपने यूज़ के लिए इकट्ठा करती हैं. ठीक है. तो दिस इज एक्टिविटी नंबर 5. Now in 1.5 we see what do animals eat. Animals क्या खाते हैं. There is a picture showing squirrel eating nuts. तो you know कि different types of animals अलग अलग types के food items खाते हैं. So in our activity number 6 we have a table animals and their food. In column number 1 we have to write the name of the animal, and in second column we have to write food the animal eats. Okay, you have to complete this. For example, buffalo eats grass, oil cakes, hay, grains. Okay, so you have to write for cat, rat, lion, tiger, spider, house lizard, cow, human beings, butterfly, crow, and others. Now activity number 7. Before doing the activity number 7, we have to tell you the 3 terms which are more important and are frequently asked in examinations. These are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are animals those eat only. There are some animals which eat other animals only. These are called carnivores. And there are animals which eat only plants or their plant products. These are called herbivores. And there are third types of animals which are called omnivores. Means they eat both plants and animals. So we have to make a table and we have to tell which animals are herbivores, which are carnivores, and which are omnivores in table 1.6. Okay, you have to complete this. So now we have reached to our at the end of our lesson. So keywords used in this are: ingredients means raw materials, edibles means which can be eaten, nectar means honey, sprouted seeds means ankurit beej, herbivores means those animals which eat only plants, carnivores are animals which eat only other animals, and omnivores are animals those eat other plants or animals. Okay, so at the end we are given exercises. So you have to complete question number 1 to 4. I think you do not have any problem in doing or attempting these questions. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments section. Okay, so I think first of all in the next video हम पहले ये एक्सरसाइज अटैम्प्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद जो है हम अपना नेक्स्ट लेसन शुरू करेंगे. तो आप सबसे अपील है कि इस चैनल को लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि जो है आपको आगे सभी वीडियोस साइंस के जो है आपको जल्दी से जल्दी जो है मिल सकें. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.